let's take that same beat that we were just playing and apply it to this. So my right hand that was up on my shoulder is going to go onto my hi-hat, and my left hand's going to go onto my snare drum. So let's start by doing the same thing. We got right hand together. Oh, I also meant to say, I'm using like kebab sticks to do this. You could use spoons, you could use, anything, just more junk, right? So you could like tube up pieces of paper, whatever you got. Markers, pencils, all that kind of stuff. All right, so right hand on the hi-hat, left hand on the snare drum. We're gonna go right, together, right, together, right, together, right, together. All right, so I don't have a place to really put my foot. I could put down like a piece of cardboard or like a cardboard box or something and try to get the sound of like a boom going. But for now, I'm just going to focus on my hands for this junk drum set. So let's go twice as fast in our right hand like we were before. Sorry, this is going to bug me if I don't move this up just a little bit more. I have to crouch down so you can see me. Perfect. Okay, so we're going to go 8 notes. Remember, this is the part that's not going to change. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and if you remember, we were doing what numbers for our left hand? We were doing 2 and 4. 1, 2, here we go. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Okay. So now with this, I can try a whole bunch of different beats. I could try like, what would happen if I played snare drum on 1 and 3? What would happen if I put my right hand under the ride cymbal instead? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. I could move my right hand all over the place, sort of the tom-tom. Yes, very cool. Awesome. So we have all these different options. We can mess it around, but you kind of have your setup here for a little drum set.